How to turn off auto brightness on iPhone. To turn off auto brightness on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Then, scroll down to the Accessibility option and tap on it. Here, you will be able to personalize your iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Tap on the third option, Display and Text Size. Once you're in, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom and toggle off the auto brightness option from here. Keep in mind that turning off auto brightness may affect battery life, energy consumption, and long-term display performance. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off auto brightness on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.